Today, I'm going to talk to you about the Facebook feature that can make you happier. Hi, I'm Lori, author and creator of LoriThayer.com and contributing author at lifehack.org. This Facebook feature can make you happier when you're feeling down and can also help you make other people happy. This is actually a very simple feature that you've probably seen for years and not paid much attention to. This is how Facebook lets you know of people's upcoming birthdays and will also let people know of your birthday when it's coming up. Let me tell you about how I use this. A couple years ago on my birthday, I was away at a conference and nobody there knew it was my birthday. And all day long, it was about late afternoon. I hadn't heard from my family, I hadn't heard from my husband, and I was really feeling down. And I did not have my birthday shared on Facebook. So I decided that I was going to turn that on because I kind of needed some acknowledgement. You know, we want to be appreciated and recognized on our birthday. You know, kind of like, yeah, I'm glad you're around. You know, I'm glad you were born. We want to hear that. You know, we want to know that we make a difference in somebody's life because, you know, the relationships are really, you know, what make our life really meaningful. So I turned it on and I started getting all sorts of well wishes, and it really helped me feel a lot better. And I find today is actually my birthday again, 2 years later, and I find that I was just flooded with birthday wishes today. It's just been amazing. People are fabulous, and that's really what's so wonderful about it. You know, people come out and acknowledge you and tell you happy birthday, and it is such a simple thing. But you know what? It makes you to feel good. You feel good telling somebody happy birthday and appreciating them. And then when you're the recipient of all those wishes, it just feels even better. And I'll tell you how to take it one step further. When you get those birthday wishes, reply to each and every person and thank them. And if you've seen them recently, you know, let them know it was great to see them, or if you're going to see them soon. And just kind of, you know, strengthen that bond and that relationship that you have with people, because, you know, it's such a kind of an untangible small thing, but it really makes you feel good, and it makes them feel good to be acknowledged and appreciated for reaching out as well. So enjoy your next birthday and make sure you go appreciate other people's birthdays on Facebook.